Hello everyone, you're in Endurance Laser Lab. In this video I want to present you an upgraded Eleksmaker frame and the installation process of an Endurance 10-watt DPSS laser model. So this is a frame you probably are familiar with by Eleksmaker, and there are also different frames on Banggood, eBay and Amazon with boards like this. It's not real Eleksmaker board, it's some sort of clone, but we decided to add board from Anet A8 and upload a Marlin firmware over here so I can show it closer. And yes, the good thing that you have Z axis here, so we have X, Y and Z axis. We have power that goes here. We have controlling from a computer. You can also run from SD card, and also the connection laser goes to fan 1 pin. Let me show it closer. So fan 1 pin. So the electronics is quite simple. What we actually changed and improved, we added Z axis here as well. Let me show you. So now you can actually adjust height for the laser. For 10-watt DPSS is quite important because you need to, for accurate laser engraving or laser cutting, you need high precision, and therefore you need to have best focus. The range from the laser to a surface has to be 8 millimeters. So with Z axis, with this actuator, you can actually move it up or down. Probably you see that the construction is not very firm and hard, but it's pretty complicated to make it harder because the weight is about 700 grams. Also this guy weighs about maybe 500 grams, so 1 kilo in total, and it carries only with acrylic parts over here. So but if you run it on low speed, you'll be fine. Also we added an additional aluminum frame here, so we make it higher. So that's in this construction you can move up and down, and you have some range from floor to the laser. So actually that's pretty much it. We improved. All wires could be put into chain, or you can hide them, but it's like a demo, so I'm showing it everything here. So the frame is pretty stable, so this also gives additional stability. Yeah, that's pretty much it I want to tell you. And now the laser is ready. In my next footage I'm going to do deep metal engraving, show how it works. So hope that you like this video. Please share it with your friends. If you have any comments or questions, let us know. And keep in mind that we make custom based frames, so we can make any size you want. Right now we're building a really big machine. I'll show you in a few days the result of it, and it will be on our YouTube channel. But yes, we're going to make a big frame, like 1 meter. We'll also show how it works, but the basic thing will be the same as on Eleksmaker and other machines using aluminum frames. We'll also add metal guides, and we plan to use also belts, but not thin belts, little bit better quality belts. So that's pretty much it. Hope that you like this video. Please share it with your friends and have fun with endurance lasers. Bye bye.